Agent Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool inventory right here, and basically what this is a portable door lock. So you see this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. If you guys turn around to the back, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here in terms of how to use it. But first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, they probably got this little bag that has everything inside. So let's take everything out first. Alright, so first the inside right here, they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have the actual product. You can see how they probably got two of them, so that way you guys have one for a backup if you guys want to. Or if you guys are going to Airbnb where there's more than one door, you guys can use two of these right here. But since both of these are the same thing, I'm only gonna show you guys one of them. Alright, so once you guys take one of them out, this is what the product looks like on this side. If you guys flip around to the other side, this is what the other side looks like. If you see the way how they design both slots allow you guys to use it for different type of locks. And if you guys notice right here, they give you guys a little handle for you guys to actually take it out really easily if you guys need to. And this part right here is adjustable. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me just go set this up to show you guys how to use it and what it actually looks like when you guys do set it up. And we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so I have the product all set right here. It's kind of hard for me to film it while I was actually installing it. But let's take this part out to show you guys what it actually looks like. So when you guys do set it up, you guys want to make sure this part is going into the hole, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. Once you guys do that, you guys want to use this part right here, and then kind of lock it here or here. It'll be better if you guys can lock it right here. So you guys want to fit the back on here. You guys want to rotate it this way, and kind of push it down. Push it down as far as you guys can. So just like that. Once you guys do that, if someone tries to open up the door, they can't open it because it's locked. And when you guys do set up the product, it only works for doors that open inward and not outward. If you guys have a door that open outward, it won't work. But I'm actually open a door to show you guys what the other side of this part looks like, since I couldn't show you guys earlier. So when you guys do set it up, you guys want to put this part like this. And once you guys do that, you guys want to close the door, just like what I showed you guys earlier. And that is how you guys set it up. So very simple and very easy to actually do it. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. So whether if you guys are planning to use this at home or somewhere else, that is up to you guys. But this product will come in handy, especially when you guys are living in like an Airbnb or a hotel or something. So that way you can lock it from the inside and prevent anyone from coming in on top of the lock that's already built into the door. And I love the way how they designed the product because it's actually universal for different type of locks. So it doesn't matter if you guys have a big one or small one, it should work. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality similar product like this one, where you can add that extra security to lock your door when you guys are traveling or at home. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.